Moving on, Paul Ogada was today unveiled as Sportpesa's biggest ever winner after scooping 230 million shillings in the Mega Jackpot. Ogada's win eclipses the 221 million shillings won by Samuel Abisai that was in November. Abisai was present with Kenya's newest multimillionaire and his family at the grand ceremony that was held at the Carnivore. The Kibera resident landed the big prize ever after correctly predicting the outcome of 17 football matches over the weekend. This included Sunday's thrilling 2-2 draw between Liverpool and Tottenham Hotspur at Anfield, in which Harambee Stars captain Victor Wanyama scored a stunning strike.